Okay, so today we're going to be dealing with or deciding if a point from a linear line is actually on the line. So to do this, we're going to be using a basic formula, just as an example. So let's start with this formula, which is y equals 2x plus 10. Now the points that are given are -2, which is for our x-axis, and 4, which is for our y-axis. Remember, always read x to y first. Okay, so what we're trying to decide is this x going to, or this, if -2 is our x, and we know that because it's the first one, we want to decide if that's going to be on the line or not. So let's start. So we'd go y equals 2 multiplied, we're going to substitute the -2, which is here, plus 10. So 2 times -2 is -4 plus 10, which equals 6. Therefore, because this is 6 and not -2 or 4, the value of y is not 4. Okay, so this is y, this would be our y over here. Because they don't match, then therefore it is not on the line. Another way we could have solved this is if we actually had drawn the graph and plotted these two numbers, and then if we had found yx, we would have also seen that it wouldn't have been on the line. For example, let me do just a rough drawing here. Let's say we had -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm a bit short. So if we were to plot -2, so it would be here, and up to 4, which is y. So we're saying here is approximately the dot or the point. And what we're saying here, on the y-axis, which is this one here, this is the x, this is the y, yx. If we were to go up to our y and we went x, that's where it would be. So therefore it's not on the line. Okay, so let's have another go just to make it more clear. So let's say we had y equals -x plus 2. We still have the same coordinates as before, or the point, and we want to know whether, if we were to substitute these figures here, that figure into here, would it still be on the line? So it's a negative. Now because this is a negative over here, we want to bracket -2 plus 2. Remember from previous years or previous studies, 2 negatives, which is here and here, make a positive. So in actual fact it's 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now you've noticed that this is y. So here is y equals 4, and this is our y coordinate. So they match. So this is on the line. Okay, so just for double checking, I'd like you to do 2 equations at home and make sure that you bring your answers and your working out to school or to class on our next class. So let's say y equals 3x, take 8, and the coordinates I'm giving you is -3 and 6. I want you to tell me, is it on the line? Yes or no? And one more, y equals Negative 2x take 0, or plus 0, sorry. Okay, so again, is it on the line?